Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. They're all done in here, outside as well on its way. I have a free day today, so I thought I would preliminarily start moving some of the stuff we're not gonna use for a couple months to my parents. Let's start organizing and packing. Still a lot of stuff on there. I'm kind of a hoarder. Those are the electronics and books that I want to hold on to. I like to keep boxes. Those are the boxes I'm gonna throw away. I don't have a lot of stuff, so it's hard for me to let go of things sometimes, but we are gonna work on that corner over there. Okay, looking really good over here. The main thing I wanted to get out was our Anno cargo roof box that we use for skiing, but it is currently June, so we will definitely not use that for another 5 months. Gonna get the Outback out of here and work on all that over there. Got both of the shelves out, so much stuff and so much work. I will declutter this and try to get rid of some of it. But these over here, I might keep for the next homeowners. They'll probably appreciate that information. I really want to use the shelves inside my parents' house, so we'll definitely wipe down and get as clean as I can before loading them into the car. Those broke down pretty quickly and easily. I'm gonna put a few more things in here, the stuff we packed earlier. I'll wipe again before we set things up at my parents'. Let's load a little bit and see you guys later. Home sweet home. I brought in some of the stuff. Everything over here I've been slowly moving for the past few weeks. The plan is to have the shelves go in this corner over here. I did a little vacuuming. Let's start setting them up. Got one done, still one more to do. There's still a bunch of stuff at the house, but today felt pretty productive. I moved a bunch of stuff here. I am so grateful to have a good relationship with my folks. They enjoy spending time with us. They are so happy we are moving in for a short period of time until we figure out what to do next. They don't really watch my videos, but if you guys are watching, thank you for all the help. Love you guys. I will do my best to be a good son. Video 374 done.